The first step of dressing your hoop is to actually load the fabric into your hoop. So take your hoop and separate it into 2 pieces. You just unscrew the closure, then you can pull them apart and pop the inner hoop on the surface in front of you. Then pop your fabric on top, in the middle's great, and then grab your outer hoop. You might just need to unscrew it a little bit more, and then pop it over the top of the inner hoop so that it's actually sandwiching the fabric inside. Now tighten up your closure a bit more again. You'll feel it get a bit firm, and then go around the hoop and just gently pull the fabric away towards the back. And as you're doing this, you're tightening the fabric in your hoop. Once you've been right around and it looks pretty tight, give your closure another tighten. And next, I'll show you how to make sure your fabric is nice and tight in the hoop.